Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well, and I hope everybody is having a very Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Eve today, and I will be getting this video out, or else I'm going to kick myself in the tail. So guys, we have, can you believe this? I can't even believe I'm about to say this. We have a spoiler for the BoxyCharm February 2020 box. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell. That way you're notified of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read the first comment from my last video, which are some spoilers for the January Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate Box. Congratulations, Lisa415. Lisa says, hi, man. Lisa says, hey, Mandy, Merry Christmas. I think I'm first. Well, you sure are, my love, and thank you so much for having your bell on. Lisa, I always see you in the comments, and I really appreciate it, honey. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, I found this at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek. I also found it on Joe's Instagram stories. Now, on Joe's Instagram stories, he goes ahead and he tells us what product, or one of the products that will be in the February BoxyCharm box of 2020. You know, the new year. And this one I am so excited about. And I know a lot of y'all out there are big fans, and a lot of y'all will be excited about this too. Now, so in the February box will be the Hourglass Ambient Blush. Now this is valued at $40, and I don't know exactly if there's going to be shade variations, or if there is, how many of them. But we know that that blush will be in a February box, and I'm so excited. Let me know down below if you're a big fan. I'm a big fan of Hourglass, and I don't have a lot of their products, but I'm excited about this one, y'all. So again, Joe was telling us about this in his Instagram story, and I would show y'all that, but he talks for about 20 minutes. Well, it's probably not 20 minutes. It felt like 20 minutes. So I don't really want to bore y'all with that, because really what he was talking about in his Instagram story is how beauty boxes get their products and how they first start out. And, you know, while that's all interesting and stuff, I mean, come on, Joe. Lord have mercy, honey. 20 minutes. Again, it probably wasn't quite 20 minutes. It just felt that way. So I'm not even going to bore y'all with the details. I just slipped on here to tell you what he said in about the middle of that video, which I sat through for y'all.
You're welcome.
So anyways, guys, let me know what you think below down in the comments. And again, I hope everybody's having a very Merry Christmas. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check him out. And I'll always keep you updated as soon as I hear anything or see anything. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Miss K Brown Beauty. Miss K says, Mandy, please shout me out. I so love your channel. Well, there you go, Miss K. That makes me feel so good. It just warms up my heart, honey. And I hope you're having a very Merry Christmas. And I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes, my comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, well, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And again, y'all, I hope everybody's having a very Merry Christmas. And I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.